Welcome to Taiji Origami Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make this kabuto or a samurai helmet. So Japan is one of those countries that still holds traditional seasonal festivals, and one of those is so-called Kodomo no Hi, or also known as Boys' Day, which is on May 5th. It's the day where we celebrate the boys. Often we decorate our houses with either kabuto or a samurai helmet, or the whole armor of the samurai. Then this is just a really easy, great model to make. And also if you make it with a big enough paper, you can put it on your head. And it's just really easy, so I hope you give this a try yourself. Then, let's get started. Okay, let's make kabuto or samurai helmets. So I'm gonna fold in half like this. And also in the other direction. Then I'm gonna flip in this direction. Then I'm gonna bring the pointy end to the corner, like this, and also the other side as well. Then I'm gonna bring this point to the other corner, like this, and also the other side as well. For the next step, there's no really marker, but I'm going to bring this so much so that this line is just about perpendicular to this line right here. Like this, and also the other side, trying to match the other side, like this. Then I'm going to take one sheet from the bottom, and there's also no marker for this, but I'm going to take it just around midway right here, like this, and then fold down. And then along this line, I'm going to fold this bottom part up as well. So like this. And then flip to the side, and this flap I'm going to fold it to the top like this. And then I'm going to open from the bottom like this. Then I'm going to take this sheet and then fold it inward like this, and tuck it inside like this. And then I'm gonna open it a little bit like this, and then with that, the samurai helmet is finished. So as you saw, making this kabuto or samurai helmet is really easy, and I think it's just a really cool form, so I hope you give this a try yourself. If you enjoyed what you saw, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me, and if you want to see more of these videos or support me, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.